Welcome to DataPencil. I'm Kalyani Bhatnagar, founder of DataPencil, and I welcome you all to part 5 of our 100 Queries SQL Challenge. So let's see our queries. And first query is total course purchase value for each student. Here you have to use CTE. Query 2, find students whose total course value is higher than the average student value. Here also CTE and subqueries will be used. Query 3. Rank students based on their total course spending from highest to lowest. Here rank function, Windows function, sum function, etc. will be used. Query 4. Identify top 10% highest value students based on course spending. So here entile function, window function, sum function, subqueries will be used. Query 5. Calculate total revenue generated by each course. Here simple sum function, join and group by will work. Query 6. Identify students who never progressed beyond 20% in any enrolled course. And here you will have to use join, where, distinct, filter conditions. Now query 7. Find courses with the highest average completion percentage. Query 8, identify student engagement buckets, means classify students into high, moderate and low engagement based on average completion. So here you will use case when, average function, group by, etc. Query 9, find students who enrolled in courses but never started progress. Here you will use null, check, where, left join, etc. Query 10. Show month-wise enrollment count and compare them with the previous month. So here you will use date function, count function, lag function, window function. Query 11. Calculate month over month enrollment growth percentage. Here again CTE, lag function and other arithmetic operations and round function as well. Now query 12th, identify students whose course completion improved over time. So here also you will use partition by, lag function, etc. Query 13, identify underperforming courses, means you will have to find out the course with high enrollments but low average completion rates. Query 14, you have to create a learner funnel, enrolled, active, completed. So basically create a funnel that will show enrolled, active and completed learners. Here you will use subqueries and count function. Query 15, identify students enrolled in multiple courses who enrolled in more than one course. So here you can use a count function, group by and etc. Query 16, find students contributing to the top 80% of total platform revenue. So for that, you will have to use CTE and window function, etc. Query number 17, identify months with the highest enrollment activity. Query number 18, find the students whose course engagement is declining over time. Here you will use lead function, window function. Query number 19, identify courses that bring the most new students on sign-up day. Query number 20, which will be related to final business insights. So here you will have to generate a platform level summary showing student count, activity and learning health. So here we will use left join, count function, average function, and that's it. So this is it for today's video, which is part 5. And this part is over. Now you will have to proceed for the final submission, and there you will see all the rules and you will have to submit it according to the rules given. So take care guys, bye bye.